Going to do a quick unboxing of the M4 512GB iPad Pro and accessories. First one of which is from Selfridges. Apparently there's 5 different designs of the new Apple Pencil Pro. These are the instructions, aren't they? Yeah. Instructions, warranty, and regulatory information. I also got the Magic Keyboard. I have had one of these before, so I'm going to be doing a review of the old version, which is the 2018, which I think was generation 3. So I'm going up from the iPad Pro 13-inch, or 12.9 then, 2018 version, to the 2024 M4 512GB. So, Magic Keyboard next. I think there's been a redesign of this as well. There's a lot more aluminium and there's a glass trackpad. I think I prefer the new plastic-free wrapping, which just that paper and cardboard inners, and the box as well, no shrink wrap. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, so the hinge looks different. It's aluminium here, glass trackpad, and functioning roll key at the top. Yeah, this bit rotates on his aluminium. The cover looks the same, and that didn't wear too well, so I'm hoping that I'll set you show that when I do the review of the comparison. I'm hoping they've learned from the mistakes on here and improve that covering. Let's put that to one side. So we've got the iPad Pro. Bit scratched up. Don't know if you could see this here, but all the boxes, including the Air, have the name. So the iPad Air has Air here, so it's not just a design. This one is Pro, P-R-O. Probably get this the wrong way around when I open it, I always do. Side for a minute. Bit thicker, but I believe there's no stickers in this one. It's got an M3 Pro this year as well, and that one had black stickers in, which were rather different. So here we've got our instructions in various different languages, but we don't need those. And then we've got, this is the black version by the way, USB to USB-C cable, which is quite nice. And that's it for the box. Back. So let's look at the iPad itself. Not a mark. So this is where the Magic Keyboard connects to the iPad Pro. And this time the camera's shifted here in the middle. I'll stop when we've got it on. So we've got a bit of battery charge. Just get the there we go. I forgot to unbox the pencil fully. So that's the Pencil Pro, which should attach here. There's a magnet there, so I'm not quite sure how that magnet and camera is able to be in the same place. But I shall find out. So let's put that away, this box away. And put this where it's going to live. Which then, oh, those magnets seem to be a lot stronger than my 2018 model. Okay, that's all for now. And I'll see you back when I do a review on the two versions.